You love your grandmother this many? A lot?
My grandmother always bakes with me.
What makes your grandmother special?
Because she taught me the real.
What makes your grandmother special?
Found a girl and you're married now.
The way she cares.
Your grandmother's special.
Her grandmother's special because she always has a positive outlook on life. And she also does jobs and F them at the same time. And give people advice on how to do things. And cooking wonderful food. And
why are you so shy? Ain't like you.
How has your grandmother impacted your life?
She pushed me to come over here. Get away from home, she said, let me catch you back. I love my grandmother back. Both of them.
I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd